What if the job, as we know it, is already obsolete, and the real opportunity lies in becoming a high value specialist in a micro niche no one else is serving? By 2026, the gig economy isn't just about driving for Uber or doing generic freelance tasks. It's evolved into a sophisticated ecosystem where remote professionals with razor sharp skills, personal branding, and AI augmented workflows are commanding premium rates, choosing their clients, and building location independent careers that outpace traditional employment in both income and freedom. The early gig economy was a race to the bottom. Low barriers to entry meant high competition, which crushed prices and turned talent into a commodity. But today, the tide has turned. Companies aren't just looking for writers or developers. They're seeking AI prompt engineers for biotech startups, Notion automation specialists for solopreneurs, Web3 community managers fluent in DAO governance, or video editors who specialize in YouTube shorts for fintech founders. The winners aren't generalists. They're hyper-specialists who solve one high-stakes problem better than anyone else on the planet. This shift is powered by three forces. First, remote work is now permanent. Even after the post-pandemic normalization, 74% of global companies maintain hybrid or fully remote teams, and 62% of knowledge workers prefer flexibility over office perks. Second, AI has eliminated low-skill tasks, making raw effort less valuable than judgment, taste, and strategic thinking. Anyone can generate a blog post with AI, but few can craft a content system that converts cold traffic into paying customers. Third, talent marketplaces have matured. Platforms like Contra, Braintrust, and even niche Discord communities now connect specialists directly with clients who value precision over price. So how do you position yourself? Start by identifying the intersection of your unique experience, market demand, and monetizable specificity. Ask, what problem do I solve that others consistently thank me for? Then, narrow it further. Instead of social media manager, become Instagram growth strategist for vegan skincare brands. Instead of web developer, become Shopify Plus migration expert for DDC brands scaling past $10 million. The narrower the niche, the less competition, the higher your rates, and the easier it is to stand out. Next, build a proof engine, not just a portfolio. Share case studies, before and after metrics, and short educational content that demonstrates your expertise in action. Use AI tools to amplify, not replace, your output. Automate admin with Make.com, draft client emails with custom GPTs, or analyze competitor funnels with AI scrapers. But always add your human insight, the strategy, the empathy, the nuance no algorithm can replicate. Finally, master asynchronous collaboration. The future of remote work isn't endless Zoom calls. It's clear documentation, Loom walkthroughs, and outcome-based contracts. Clients don't care how many hours you work. They care whether you deliver results on time, with zero friction. Become the professional who over-communicates, under-promises, and over-delivers, and you'll never lack for high-paying work. This isn't just freelancing 2.0. It's the rise of the independent professional, self-directed, tech-enabled, and indispensable. In 2026, your career isn't defined by your job title, but by the value you create, the problems you solve, and the standards you uphold. If you're ready to stop trading time for dollars and start building a future-proof, niche-powered remote career, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to 100x Wealth. Hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest videos on AI-driven opportunity, Web3 innovation, and the smartest paths to wealth, freedom, and impact in the digital age. The future of work isn't coming. It's already here, and it rewards the focused, the skilled, and the bold.